Hi everybody, how you guys doing? Look, this bun is probably so high, but I'm about to go to my cousin's, the drive-through graduations, and they are so cute. I was invited, and this is my little outfit. I'm wearing lavender, and I tried to pick up the lavender that's right here in my bag right here. And I'm about to get my shoes out of this closet, but these are my accessories. My little natural stone Annie and Alex and Annie bracelets, my watch, and this was given to me by a coworker. And I'm rocking these Prada sunglasses. I have these shoes with these on. They're like a little wedge, but I just think they're so cute. I'm so tall right now, but my little jacket. Turn this lamp off. Okay. I am in the car. I am on the way. It is kind of hot. Let me see. What is it? 83 degrees. Yep, that's what it says. It's 83. Y'all saw my outfit though. I think I look kind of decent. I think I look cute. You feel me? You know, I'm just trying to get to where I need to get to safely, and that's it.
That's that apple tree. It's in your blood.
Okay guys, I'm back at the house. Now let's get into this haul real quick. Okay, so I end up getting the Walmart brand bread, great value, some hot dog buns, 2 packs, some Tostitos, Cantina, traditional nacho style, okay, some great value peas and carrots, some Oscar Mayer hot dog wieners, which I got these before. I have bought these before. Some Malwich. Okay, I was looking for the Sloppy Joe, but I was like, okay, whatever, that'll work. So pizza is my favorite food. If I hadn't said so, I'll say it again. This Land O'Frost Premium Honey Smoked Turkey. Okay, that's 1 pound. Then I end up getting some potato salad, some seasoned French fried potatoes, which are French fries, okay. But I like to bake them. I have some more things. So look, this will be my first time trying this cinnamon raisin bread. Like, I don't even know how it's gonna taste, but I'm kind of intrigued by it. So I got the canola oil, okay, Walmart brand, okay, great value, Walmart brand, and these, let me see, what are these? Pecan pies. Okay, so I end up getting 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I end up getting 3 of the Patti LaBelle sweet potato pies. Yes, Hidden Valley Ranch. Some green onions. Okay, some green onions. They look decent. 5 pound bag of potatoes. A head of lettuce. Okay, now these were open and they taste pretty good. Okay, they are lightly salted. Okay, so tried those, and I have some baby spinach here. No, I'm sorry, it's just regular spinach. I thought I grabbed the baby leaf spinach. Okay, so I end up getting some strawberry preserves. Yes, I had ran out of these. Yes, I love these bread and butter pickle chips. Some Jif creamy peanut butter. And these are, I thought they were key limes, but no. Okay, so I end up getting some limes. I need the Ziploc bags, the quarter size, because I'm going to break this ground turkey down into 3s. Okay, I end up getting some more burritos. Okay, some foil, this 3 pound bag of chicken breast, and an onion. Okay, now I've gotten that turkey roll broken down. Okay, and I put them in the Ziploc bag. Okay, this vinegar I end up getting from Dollar Tree. We need that, okay, for cooking, salads, dressings, okay, and it take care of the flies. I end up getting some bananas. Okay, this is Chloralin, okay, which is a Mexican brand, and I end up getting these from Walmart. Now usually they're at Dollar Tree, but I found them. Okay, my mother and grandmother used to use this Ajax brand back in the day. Okay, it used to come in that big blue box. Who remember that? Okay, and I end up getting some cuties. Okay, they were on, I think they were 3 something, but if you go in Food for Less, sometimes they're $5. Okay, you guys are about to do this haul, which is the beauty supply store haul. Okay, and then we have the Five Below. Okay, so I end up going to the beauty supply store. Okay, and in Los Angeles there are so many beauty supply stores. Okay, so I end up getting these earrings, you know, these big hoops. They're $1. Okay, I don't know if I'm going to wear them in my ear or I'm going to do something else with them. I'll see what my creative juices will create. Okay, so I end up getting some lip gloss. These hammered, okay, earrings, these are so cute to me. These like chain link earrings, these are so like classy. Okay, these are so classy, as well as these. And then I end up getting the Da Vinci lash in the number 118, as well as the number 415. Okay, and then these here. Okay, they're just some little dangly earrings. And so these things I'm going to use to create looks. Okay, and I'm a very analytical person, and so yes, I found my niche. Okay, so there's 3 categories that I fall under, so I'm going to start catering to those 3 areas. Okay, so yeah, that's just what I'm going to be using these things for. Looks. All right, let's get into the 5 and below. 5 below. Why do I say 5 and below? 5 below store. Okay, so I end up getting this room to room brand, reversible, okay, woven, 3x6 for indoor and outdoor. This is gonna go up in my little sitting space, okay, my film room. That's what I'm gonna do with that. Okay, so I end up getting this keyboard. Okay, so it says it has sound effect modes and rhythm effect modes. So I'm going to see, and it requires I think that's 2 AA batteries. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to try that out. And I end up getting some gloves. Okay, yes, I need these because I'm going to be on my next video. I should be driving a little arm. And I end up getting some scrunchies. Okay, which I know I could have ended up getting these from, you know, the other store, the dollar store, but okay guys, look, I was in the store and I showed this, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try out. I don't think it's as seen on TV. I think it's a replica, but okay, you're supposed to be able to do these things here with it, which I'm gonna twist and give it a twist and go and work my abs and obliques. Okay guys, you know what, I think that's about it. I'm gonna go ahead and slide on up out of here. I want to say thank you so much. I highly appreciate you. I thank you so much. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide on up out of here. This is your girl Virgo Creativity. Thanks for visiting my channel. I hope wherever you are in the land, I hope that you're feeling fancy and free and you're doing the things that you love to do. Peace.